Running 3 different temperatures on one rack, that's insane. You just want to do more and more and more of it. So I started as a brazier here and I saw growth in the company. You can grow in the company, you can go higher.
The culture in my team, I would say, working as a team together. First of all, they pull together. Also, I would say working safely. It's important that they go home as they came to work, and it's difficult sometimes. I mean, we've got a lot of pressure some days, and that pressure comes down to the manager, and it's important that I don't push that down onto them. They need to feel safe and comfortable in what they're doing, and they shouldn't feel that pressure that I'm on their back all the time. They should know that they've got time to do the job and do the job right.
Like, I'm an electrician and I have to make sure the panels they're building is according to the drawing that was given to them.
Working from assembler to doing capillaries now, I think assembling didn't give me that much challenge. So when it comes to capillaries, it's like designing all in one. So you need to know, well, how are you gonna run your pipes? So especially when I see something new, then it just lights up my day. It's like, you know what, how am I gonna do this tomorrow?
When I go to a shop, I'll usually tell them, anyone who's with me, this is what we do. And they're like, wow, how does it work? And I'll just start explaining. It's so much fun to work with these things.
But each system we build, that it's not boring. It always changes.
A lot of jobs that we do is new designs. There's always challenges, and that is what's nice about it. I like these challenges. It keeps your mind going, it keeps you fresh. But I would say that the most impressive thing that I think that we've built so far and keeps on impressing me is the containers. We build the racks and we build it into a container. So it's always a challenge to do the layout and see is everything going to fit and how it's going to fit, and to make sure at the end of the day that it looks like a plant room inside, and that's all built into a container. So to me, that's impressive.
Running 3 different temperatures on one rack, that's insane. That puzzled me. I was like, how can it be done? How does it work? And I've learned how it works, and that was in systems, that was my most impressive build that I've done.
What I do relies on what the previous person is doing. So the communication between me and that person, or the people that are working on the unit, needs to be clear. Because at the end of the day, we are a team. We need to produce one thing that is reliable, effective, and safe to use to our customers.
If you don't go in a day without learning, what's the point of that day? Every day is a day going in, learning, whatever it is you do. Every day you are learning something new.
Guys, give it up to my manager. He always makes sure that it pulls us together. So the pressure on us, actually, we don't have pressure because we have him to take the pressure out from us.
Look, everyone has got a talent, but if I have to pick someone out, I would pick Lucy. Sorry. We work with a lot of components and a lot of parts, and it's difficult sometimes. You don't get to all the emails, all the stuff, and it's a lot of time that I put into it. And I must say, she's always there, always helping, always there to ask. And not if I'm asking her, she comes out of her own. And I think there's a lot in her that no one really sees, and I appreciate that.